Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper, and today we are doing the follow-up of the horizontal keyway milling video and a little announcement about the Russel Garens estate auction, the first auction of many. And so first off, we'll start here with the mill. A lot of good comments on this. Most of them were suggesting a mirror for seeing behind, and that's a great idea. I probably will be doing that, getting a magnetic mirror or a motorcycle mirror or something, just to help with that. Otherwise, it was a straightforward, simple job. Went really well. Now, you're all wondering about Russel Garens' first auction, the estate of Russel Garens with Premier Machinery Auctions handling it. The first auction was just getting to the stuff that was in the way to clear a little space and then get to the rest of the stuff, and there was some great stuff on that auction. The Bridgeport mill, wow, I just can't believe that sold for, it was over $10,000. Amazing, amazing mill, amazing price. I spoke with his wife during the auction, and she was absolutely thrilled with the outreach of the video, the number of bidders, the people that are interested in buying Russell stuff and continuing on to use it. She's absolutely thrilled. So guys, thank you very much for that. Our bidding, thank you so much. Help get this equipment out there per Russell's wishes, and just buy as much as you can. Keep an eye on Premier's auction site for the next year. They're going to be doing one a month moving forward, and there's a lot of cool stuff in there. I know Russell would be just absolutely thrilled with you guys, getting this stuff and just continue on using it. And his wife had shared a few stories with me, which I thought were really cool. But I also bought something I did not need, something that was really cool, and something that I probably will be using. So once I go get that and get a little more stuff caught up in here, we will be doing a video on that, but it is an attachment for the Bridgeport mill. So pretty cool, something I've been kind of looking for years, but I really didn't need, so I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's gonna be a great addition here in the shop. So with that, till next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.